Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the only swing trading strategy you need in 2024 to make money. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Now for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Carter. I've been a full-time swing trader for over 6 years. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school where we talk about my strategies, my mindset, how I find these stocks, the scanners I use. It's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. We have live streams, quizzes, lectures, group chats. It's absolutely fantastic, and you guys can use code CRASH. Code CRASH to get $50 off. Only 5 spots left. So make sure you guys check it out down below, and I'll see you in there. But guys, let's dive into this. Let's go. All right, so with this swing trading strategy, today alone, I made a little over about $900, which is absolutely fantastic. But the thing that I would highly stress new traders do is to actually focus on education and paper trade. You know, you have to look at swing trading like a job, a career. And what I mean by that, it's like a doctor trying to become a doctor. It's like an engineer trying to become an engineer. It takes years of practice, hard work. You know, imagine going into a football game without a playbook. You're gonna lose. So you have to have that same mindset and the same approach when it comes with trading. And a lot of people think that trading is an easy way to get rich quick, and guys, that's not the case at all. It takes years of practice and hard work, but I just wanted to be completely upfront about that. So now let's turn to the computer and see some of my trades. Alrighty guys, so we are up and loaded here. Now the broker that I use for all of my trades is gonna be Moomoo. They're absolutely fantastic. They have paper trading, they have good scanning, good charting. It's a very, very solid broker for trading. This broker is designed for trading and one that I would just recommend. I'm not getting paid or sponsored by them at all. I just think they're a good broker. I will put a link to them down below if you guys want to check them out. But guys, alright, so what do I look for swing trades? Well, it's very, very simple. You know, in my opinion, I think one of the more important things is trends. So we always want to find a stock on some sort of upward trend that is sold off down to some levels of support. Now, support could be a couple of things. It could be a price support. So maybe at $1, we see a tendency of getting buying pressure, as well as certain indicators like moving average lines, RSI lines. All of those are really good indications where we could see more buying pressure enter. So this was a trade here, BBIO. This one here made me a little over $900 today. Now you guys will see we've seen this tendency of BBIO using this blue line as support, right? It comes in contact with it and we got buying pressure. So recently what happened was the stock sold off down to the 200-day moving average line near and around $33, and it consolidated for a little bit just like it did in the past, because history, we do see tendencies of history repeating itself. And then it immediately shot up today about it was a little over 12%. Now, obviously, with this type of trade, are you going to find these movers where it goes up 11%? No, and to be honest, this is a rare thing that we see happen with this type of trade. Most of the time, we'll see it kind of more like how it was down here, where it just slowly consolidates up. But recently, this was a fantastic move, up over 11% in a single day. Now, AAOI, very similar thing here. You guys will see it comes in contact with that 90-day moving average line, hits it here, establishes support. Recently, it hit it again at 15, moved its way all the way up to about $22 a share. So what we look for is a stock on an upward trend that is sold off down to some levels of support. Now, what I always do and what I would recommend doing is always setting your stop loss below that moving average line. So if it does break down, then you guys will see if we had our alert set right here for our stop loss at about $8.50. If it breaks down here, you guys will see it continue to go all the way to about $6.75. Yes, it did turn around eventually, but the thing is this could have continued to sell off more. So taking and pretty much having a solid stop loss is a very, very easy way to minimize risk, but still carry a ton of potential here. We'll go ahead and we'll pull up one more here, OKE. This one here, very similar situation. Tendency of this using that 90-day moving average line as support, right? It comes in contact once, twice, and then recently 3 times. You guys will see we had that alert set at about $67.11. We hopped in, and this thing continued to rally up, and hopefully we can push up to highs at about $71 a share. We could set our stops at $66.71, risk about $1 to possibly make over $5 a share, which is an absolute fantastic risk and reward. Now, the thing is about all these trades is what I always recommend is to paper trade and to learn as much as you can. The biggest thing with trading is just learning. The more you learn, the more you're going to earn, and I cannot stress that enough. And this is just a little pro tip, guys, so I hope you guys all enjoyed it, but this is a very, very easy strategy that I would recommend for beginners. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out my course if you guys want to learn how we find these opportunities, and we'll see you guys later. Take care.